Hey there musicians, Andrew here from McCormick Music Lessons, the premier and top-rated music school in Orange County, and I'm super excited and privileged to bring to you the first ever home recording workshop that's going to revolutionize everything you know about home recording, enabling you, giving you the keys to record, mix, master, and release your music in a professional way, all from the comfort of your own home. It took me over a decade to get just a semblance of these skills, and it's going to take you only 6 weeks. That's right, only 6 weeks. Now, in those 6 weeks, you are going to learn a lot. Week 1, we're going to go over hardware, software, what you need and what you can skip out on, all without breaking the bank. That will be the majority of the foundations of what you need. Week 2, we're going to build on that, and we're going to explore the difference between virtual instruments and recording live instruments and how to layer those for real magic. In week 3, we dive deeper into the professional recording techniques, secrets of the pros, mastering the click, time signatures, how to layer everything and bring it all together to create magic. In week 4, it's all about mixing. We reveal the insider secrets that will make your tracks pop and sound huge. Week 5, we focus on mastering, that final polish that takes it into that radio-friendly sound. Ever so necessary, but very tricky. All on week 5. On week 6, it's time to put it all together. We teach you how to wrap it up in a nice little bow and release it to the world. From Spotify to YouTube Music, Apple Music, whatever it is, you will learn how to release it. That way, anyone you know can look it up, find your song, hear it, and be wowed by the quality of it. Now, I know this sounds like a lot, and that's why we're giving you 6 weeks to work on it. And if you can't commit to those 6 weeks, please don't sign up. It's not for you. It's okay. Maybe the next time. But if you feel like you can actually commit to at least, I would say 4 of the 6 classes, I would say definitely sign up and sign up today. Now, don't panic. I understand things happen. And if you do happen to miss 1 or 2, we are going to send you home at the end, the very last class, with a little cheat sheet that will break down everything that you covered in that 6-week course. So you can always refer to it again and again. And I'm so excited about this class, and I want you to attend it. By the way, there's only 5 slots, so get it now. But I'm so excited that I want to offer anybody who signs up in the next 48 hours a free 1-hour lesson with any of our instructors on any of the instruments that we teach anytime that you want, if you sign up in the next 48 hours. I want you to get in, get it now, and take advantage of the insane quality that you're going to get for a fraction of the cost that you would spend in expensive recording studios and hiring sound engineers and building things out and spending way too much money that you don't need to spend on microphones that you just saw because some YouTube guy said to do it. We're going to save you tons, thousands of dollars, and we're going to give you all of the tools that you need to bring your magic into the world. People deserve to hear your music, and they deserve to hear it at the quality that you know that you deserve. So if you feel like this course is for you, sign up now, get in there, get in now before slots fill up, and I'll see you in class.